Hello and welcome back. I'm your host Reshma and this video is brought to you by Godrej Property, your most trusted real estate platform. And today we are exploring Godrej Lakeside Orchard, which is located in off Sarjapur Road, one of the fastest growing corridors in East Bangalore. Before we get in detail about this project, let me help you understand about Godrej Property. Godrej Property is your advisory real estate platform which holds 8 years of experience. Godrej Property is here to help you out, advise you and guide you to choose the right property which matches your requirement or which is the best deal out there. All this is under zero brokerage. That means it gives you a direct builder pricing with no hidden cost. And also, if you book through us, you get a complimentary gift as an iPhone. In this video, we'll cover project overview, why this project, location, configuration, amenities, investment potential, developer credibility, and who is this for. Godrej Lakeside Orchard is a premium residential project which is spread across 15.6 acres, and this project consists 8 towers and with 875 units. The best part about this project is it has 73% of open space. What really stands out about this project is lakeside view units, garden view units, and city view units. If you're someone who loves to live around lake view units, then this is definitely a right option for you. Let's break down the configurations clearly. 3.5 BHK plus 4 toilets, sizes ranging from 2163 square feet to 2257 square feet, and 3 BHK plus 3 toilets ranging from 1790 square feet to 2131 square feet, and 3 BHK plus 2 toilets at 1579 square feet. 3 BHK plus 3 toilets, sizes ranging from 1942 square feet to 2260 square feet. To know more about RERA details, legal clearances, inventory updates, or to check the construction status, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. Most of the projects basically focus on their size and their pricing, but this project basically focuses on your choice and livability. This project gets you a multiple configuration, different facing options which are northeast or northwest, and also you get a wide range of flooring selections and also a premium view facing unit. From an advisory perspective, this is safe, practical and end user driven project which usually performs better in the long run. This project is located in Sarjapur Road with a great connectivity to ORR, Karmalaram railway station and proposed Karmalaram metro station. If you are a working professional, then IT hubs like RGA Tech Park and Wipro office is just close by this location. And if you have kids and you're worried about their schools, then nearby schools like CMR Gandhi School, Harvest International School, Godrej International School, Primus Public School is just close by this location, and you don't have to worry about hospitals. Hospitals like Apollo Hospital, Sakra Hospital, Sparsh Hospital, Manipal hospitals are just close by this location, and also Decathlon is just opposite to RGA Tech Park, which is just 1 kilometer from this location. For commute analysis or to check the location or maps of schools, hospitals, hotels or nearby railway station or metro station, you can directly visit on www.getrightproperty.com and explore the locations. Now let's move forward with a thoughtfully designed miniature. Right here is your entrance towards the project. This will be your entrance towards the project. Let's move forward with the towers. This will be your tower A and tower B and tower C, D, E, F and G, and right beside tower B you will find your tower H. Let me tell you, tower C, D, E are already sold out and only 2 units are remaining, and this towers with an elevation of 1 basement plus ground plus 25 floors on top of it. The clubhouse is spread across 47,200 square feet with an elevation of ground plus 2 floors on top of it. It has various indoor amenities within this clubhouse, and you will also find the adult pool and the toddlers pool within this clubhouse. Right beside your clubhouse, in your right hand side, you will find a a beautifully designed amphitheater, and you can see a various trees within this project, which is your orchard area. And also you will find a visitors parking area right in front of your clubhouse. If you have any visitors, or you can park your vehicle there. Right in front of your tower F, you will find a tennis court and as well as a basketball court, and you will find a garden right beside that. You can find a beautiful garden, and also within that you will find a pet park area, and you will also find a cricket pitch. If you're a cricket fan, then definitely you need to come for a practice right here. Right after your tower G, you can find a volleyball court right there, and also a play garden beside that. As you can see, you must be confused, what is that basement? What is actually that? That is a podium level basement. Right in the middle you can see a kids play area as well. After that you will find a outdoor chess area, and also a best part and an important part of this project is you will find your Siddhapura lake right here. If you're someone who loves lake view, then definitely this project is a right option for you. What actually stands out about Godrej Lakeside Orchard is their amenities. They offer 40 plus amenities. To know more about amenities or to check the complete list of amenities, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. If you're someone who's planning to rent, resale or even buy the property, then simply visit www.getrightproperty.com, all on zero brokerage. You can simply list out the listings on our website, then our team will help you out in this. If you don't have time to do all of such things, or if you don't have time to do the listings, then you can simply call us to the given number. Our team will do it on your behalf. Now let's move forward with a thoughtfully designed model flat, which is 3 BHK, 1508.93 square feet. Let's move forward with a main door, which is engineering wood, comes up with a smart lock, and right, this is your foyer area. And moving forward with that, this is a very beautifully designed living space, and where you can set up a very beautiful sofa right here, and this will be your entertainment zone. You can set up any 3-seater, 2-seater or anything you want it right here. Moving forward with that, this will be your dining area. You can see how spacious this is, and you can set up any kind of dining table right here, 6-seater or 4-seater or anything you wish to. Moving forward with that, right here is my favorite place, which is balcony, which is very spacious enough and very pretty, where I can find it very pretty. You can basically set up any coach, mini sofa, or you can do a gardening right here as well. And moving forward with that, let's move forward to another thing, which is your kitchen. If you're someone who loves to cook in a wide enough space, then this is definitely a right option for you. Right here you can set up any interiors you wish to. You can set up a refrigerator or anything you wish to do it, and it also has windows which you get with a mosquito mesh as well. Moving forward with that, you can find a spacious utility area. This is your utility area where you can set up a laundry or your dishwasher or anything you wish to set up. Moving forward with that, let's move forward. This is your common washroom. Right here is your common washroom. Moving forward with that, this is your bedroom 1. It is so spacious and beautifully designed, as you could see. Right here you can see a very full channel window right here. And moving forward with that, you will also find a very wide enough spacious space for your closet as well. And moving forward with that, let's move forward to another room. This is your bedroom 2, and it is very wide and looks very luxurious, which is very spacious. Right here you can set up a king size bed as well, king size or queen size, and also you will find a space to set up your study table or your dressing table, anything you wish to set up. And also you have a space, another space where you can set up anything, any interiors you wish to set up right here. And you can see it looks so luxurious. I just loved this room right here. And also moving forward with that, this will be your master bedroom. Let me tell you, it is very spacious right here. You can set up a king size bed as well here, and you will also find a entertainment area right here, right opposite to your bed. And let me tell you, it is an attached with washroom. Right here is with attached washroom. And also you will find a space, a very wide space to set up your closet. And right beside that you can also set up a dressing table or a study table. And also you can set up any interiors you wish to set up here as well. It looks so luxurious. I just loved this room right here. And you will also find a balcony, a very pretty mini balcony as well, I could say. This is looks very pretty right here. You can do some gardening or set up a mini couch to have some time with your partner right here. And moving forward with that, in this way we'll come to an end of this model flat. Now let's move forward with another 3.5 BHK model flat, which is 2163.73 square feet. Let's move forward. This right here is your foyer area, and right beside that you will find a very mini room which you can set up as your library or anything you wish to. Let me tell you, it is with an attached washroom as well. Moving forward with that, let's move forward to a very beautifully designed kids room. You can see it is as much as spacious it needs to be. It is very spacious. You can set up a bed you wish to set up. You can set up any kind of bed you wish to set up right here. And also here you can set up any interiors you wish to set up. And also there is a space for closet right here as well. And you will also find a very beautiful full channel windows as well for a natural ventilation for your kids as well. Let me tell you, it is with an attached washroom as well. And moving forward with that, this will also be included as your foyer area. And this is your spacious living area, and you can set up a sofa right here, L sized, 3-seater, 2-seater, anything you wish to set up. And right here is your entertainment zone. This is your entertainment area, and right beside that you will find a very thoughtfully designed kitchen. If you're someone who loves spacious kitchen, then you can definitely choose this. You can set up anything you wish to set up, any interiors you wish to set up, your refrigerator or anything you wish to set up right here. Moving forward with that, this will be your utility area where you can set up a laundry or your dishwasher, anything you want to. Moving forward with that, this is your dining area. Right here is your dining area. You can set up a 6-seater, 4-seater or any seaters you want to set up. Right here is your dining area. Moving forward with that, this is your beautifully and wide balcony with a mosquito mesh as well. It is wide enough that you can set up a couch, a mini sofa, or you can do a gardening as well. I am someone who loves gardening, so I'll definitely set up a gardening there. Moving forward with that, this is your common washroom. Right here is your common washroom. And moving with that, this is your bedroom 1. You can see it is so beautifully designed right here. It is spacious enough. You can set up a bed right here, and also there's a space, a wide enough space to set up your closet as well. It is so wide that you can set up any interiors as well within that. And also you get windows right here. Here is your full channel windows. And moving forward with that, we'll move forward to another room, which is your master bedroom. Right here is your master bedroom. It is very beautifully designed, as you can see, and it is as much as spacious it needs to be. And moving forward with that, this space is set up for your bed, and moving with that, this right here is your entertainment area. You can set up any interiors you wish to set up right here. And it also has a balcony. It also has a balcony with a mosquito mesh as well. You can set up a gardening or couch. You can set up chairs and spend some time with your partner. Moving forward with that, you also have a space here to set up any interiors you wish to set up, or a closet you wish to set up. And yeah, here is a wide enough space to set up your closet. It is very beautifully set up here. And also moving forward with that, this will be your washroom. It comes with an attached washroom. In this way, we come to an end of this model flat. This project is built on Maivan construction, and it focuses on strong RCC structure, and it gives you a quality finishes, and also it provides you a full size windows, engineering wood main doors with a smart lock, and vitrified floorings across your living spaces. To know more about specification, or if you need a complete list of specifications, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com. Now moving forward with the investment potential, this project is best for end-use living and long-term holders. If you're someone who wants to hold your property for a longer period, then this is definitely a right option for you. And also premium asset creation. That means your project value, you're buying a property now, but that value increases in the future. To know more about investment potential or to plan your investment, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com or call us to the given number. This project is best for families who are upgrading their homes, IT professionals working in Sarjapur or ORR, and also for long-term investors and for the people who value view-facing homes as well. Godrej Lakeside Orchard is developed by Godrej, which holds 127 years of experience, and they have 85,000 loyal customers, and also they have completed 80 projects and 15 plus ongoing projects. And the builder is known for his timely delivery, quality construction, and premium communities out here. To know more about the builder or to check their more projects, you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com right now. Let me ask you a question. Who's with you after purchasing the property? Everyone will be there with you, standing with you when you are buying the property. But who's with you after purchasing the property? Have you wondered about this? Don't worry. This time, Getright Property will help you not just buying the property. It will help you beyond the purchase as well. Plans may change, you may move abroad, or you may get any financial issues. Who's with you when you are in this situation? Are you ready to face this all alone? Don't worry, Getright Property will help you in this situation and take you out from this situation. If you want to rent, resale, or you want to buy the property, or you want to rent your flat, then you can simply visit www.getrightproperty.com, and Getright Property will get back to you and take you out from the situation. As we come to an end of this project, I would like to thank Mr. Sanjay and their team and their staff to helping me out on this walkthrough, and also I would like to thank the builder for giving me this opportunity. I'm your host Reshma, signing off.